The SpringPoint Industrial Software Suite is designed specifically for the industrial apparatus, sales, and service industry. Our customers enjoy the benefits of having all data under a single software umbrella, enabling them to create efficiencies, leading to higher profit margins.
Everything is housed under one system. So you have operations, you have billing, and you have reporting, all within one unified system. And we're so much more productive because of that.
These are the applications that make up the SpringPoint suite. We'll take a brief look at each one in a moment. A personalized dashboard gives you real-time, at-a-glance business intelligence that you can access from anywhere.
Motorbase and SpringPoint as a whole is much easier to use from that standpoint because it's a true one-stop shop. It's a point and click. Okay, I want to see what's in this number, drill down into it and understand the concepts that are behind it.
Let's take a closer look at the main applications in the SpringPoint suite. Motorbase is an ERP system designed for the apparatus, sales, and service industry. Whether your business favors, repairs, distribution, or equipment management and maintenance, Motorbase has everything you need to manage an apparatus-related business. Motorbase ERP is the foundation of the SpringPoint suite. One of our goals has always been efficiency. One way we do that is by eliminating double entry. When information has been entered into Motorbase or any of the other integrated data applications, the system will push and pull that information wherever it's needed, in real time. Let's walk through an example. A customer stops in looking for a motor. You click into the price check screen within Motorbase, search for the motor specifications, check the price and availability, enter the customer's name to get their pricing, then create a sales order. Next year, that customer calls asking for a quote for some on-site maintenance of that very motor you sold them a year ago. You open Motorbase to create a new quote. If this is a standard type of job, you'll likely have a template set up, so most of the work is done for you. Select the customer and equipment ID. The nameplate information is already in the system and associated with your customer from the time you made the sale a year ago. Enter a few details, add some options, and email the quote right from Motorbase. Your sales reps can immediately see those quotes, manage their activities, and follow up on opportunities using the integrated SpringPoint CRM. They can review notes prior to meetings and update quote status from their computers or mobile devices. Once the quote is accepted, you convert the quote to a job with just a few clicks. Here you can add additional information, update job status, and schedule a field service technician to perform the required maintenance. It's that simple. A few clicks and you're ready to roll. Within the SpringPoint suite, your technicians will use mobile time clock to view their schedules, log their time, enter, and request materials for jobs along with many other functions. Mobile paperwork allows them to take photos with real-time attachment to the job. Speaking of our other apps, in the SpringPoint suite, the technician opens the motor record in the Equipment Manager with all the nameplate data right there, along with an identifying photo to verify he is working on the correct motor. If a label, complete with a QR code, is not already on the motor, they have the ability to print one on site. At this point, our technician creates the maintenance record and opens an inspection form in the Quality Management Wizard. Previously entered information like job number and nameplate information are pulled in automatically. QM Wizard steps the technician through the maintenance process. When that process is done, he can email the final report to the customer before he even leaves the facility. Back in the office, you are alerted that the job has completed. Finish the job in Motorbase, convert it to an invoice, and email to the customer, all before the tech even makes it back to the shop. Your customer can use the customer web portal to access and pay for their invoices, view jobs and quotes. They are able to view the detailed equipment information and attachments. If you allow it, they can even view your inventory, place orders, or request quotes. To schedule a demo, complete the Schedule a Demonstration form on our website and tell us a bit about your company requirements and goals. You can also contact us at sales@springpt.com, and a SpringPoint representative will be in touch with you.